Model Making Guru is sponsored by emodels.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs. emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome. Hey everyone, it's Foxx from Model Making Guru here. Hello, hello, and welcome to a very quick little show. It is the 1st of March, and that can mean only one thing. Well, it can mean quite a lot of things, but for this video, it means only one thing. If you remember, a couple of weeks ago, my channel did the most amazing thing. It hit 20,000 subscribers, and my brain, my little tiny dinosaur brain, was like, woo! It couldn't quite comprehend that because I never thought I'd get past, you know, I don't know, 500 subscribers. So, my brain went doodlally. It was bouncing around all over the place. Anyway, I put up a video a couple of weeks ago, basically saying, by way of saying thank you, I was going to do a giveaway and that one of my lucky subscribers would win this, the Master Grade New Gundam Vercar kit, all to themselves. Oh, well, sexy stuff that is. And that's what we're going to do today. I am going to be drawing the winner. Now, it's very easy to enter. So before we go and just pull any winners, let me just say thank you to everybody who entered and put a comment on. Let's go and have a look and pull a winner. So, all I asked you to do was put a comment on the video that I posted up announcing the giveaway. And as you can see, I got 435 comments. That's an incredible response. I'm so proud of you guys. I mean, I know I was giving something away, so of course I got lots of comments. But that's the most comments I've ever had on a video. That's insane. Now, I do have to say, though, however, first of all, I got two dislikes. Who dislikes a video giving something away for free? I'm like, I don't understand the mentality of these people. It's like, oh, don't like that, but I'm giving something away. What? Simpletons, I don't know. Also, I did get 1,078 views, which is brilliant, but only 435 of you put a comment on. Now, what you had to do to enter the competition was add a comment. So what I don't understand is, I'm saying to you, here is a free model kit that you don't have to build. You could just put it on eBay and sell it if you don't want to buy it and build it, if you have no interest in it. You could make 80 quid by selling it, but you still don't put a comment on. So I don't get that. People, I'm giving something away free. You don't have to keep it. You can sell it, but they still don't enter. It's like, can't give stuff away. But then again, 435 of you were sensible enough to realise you did want a piece of this action. So what I'm going to do, before we go ahead and pull the winner, I'm going to refresh the browser, because this has been open for about 5 minutes anyway. I'm going to refresh the page just to make sure I've not missed anybody. 400 and... come on, don't fall over on me now, broadband. Or comments will be nice. Let's refresh again. Hello. What is going wrong here? That's YouTube being weird. 435, there we go. So still 435. So if you've not got your comment on there now, it's currently, what, 23 minutes past 8 on the 1st of March. So if you've not got a comment on there by now, you snooze, you lose. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull a random winner. So one of these lucky commenters, one of these 435, will win. So I'm going to, as you've seen me want to do, wow, hello, words. If you've seen me do one of these before, I simply copy the URL. I'm going to paste it into my favourite random YouTube comment picker, which picks a random comment from YouTube randomly from YouTube's comments. I'm going to paste the URL in there, and we're going to load those comments in. There you go. It's got 432 unique comments on there. I don't think it counts my comments, and obviously it's my page, so yeah, it doesn't count mine because I put a few comments on there. So 432 possible winners. Let's find out. Now, I have to say, although it does that little animation when it's loading in the comments, which is great, when it picks a winner, it just goes, there you go. It doesn't do anything, so it's not very interesting to watch. So I'll give you a countdown to add some drama. Are we ready to pick the winner for the Master Grade Vercar New Gundam? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh! Every time I do a giveaway, it does this nonsense. Yes, brilliant. I've won it for myself. I shall now mail myself with my name and address and post it to myself. Let's try again. Every time. I'm really going to have to stop responding to comments on these giveaway videos. Right. Ready? Try again. 3, God damn it. 3, 2, 1. Phil Kett. 20k, a substantial milestone and well deserved. Comment number 200, Phil Kett. Phil Kett, congratulations, well done. You are the winner. You have won yourself the Master Grade Verkar New Gundam. So what you need to do to claim your prize, Phil, is drop me an email. You know the routine. Drop me an email, fox@modelmakingguru.com. Include your name, your address, and your phone number. I'll need that because some delivery drivers want a contact number in case they knock on the door and there's no one there. Because they're not just going to leave it in your driveway. Sometimes they'll phone and say, I've got a package for you. Can you come and get it? So give me your name, your address, and your phone number, and I will get that on the way to you. Probably the next week or so, because I've got to go to the post office next week. So I'll probably do it then. I won't do it right away, but that will be on the way to you. Now, what I will do, I'll probably keep hold of it for, let's say, a month. If I haven't heard from you, and I'm sure I will, but if I haven't heard from you in a month, I will have no choice then but just to do another draw and give it away to someone else. So don't sit on your bum. Make sure to mail me, fox@modelmakingguru.com, and get that prize on the way to you. Thank you so much for taking part. Thank you to all of you who took part. Obviously, apologies I can't give you all a prize. I would love to give you all something, but hey, I'm not a millionaire. But thank you to Phil, and thank you to everybody that put a comment in. Stay tuned. I've got the little U-boat video coming up in early access kind of now, around about now, in the next hour or so. For patrons. That's the first in an E-Models build series of the little squishy U-boat. That's up now in early access, and that should be up for everybody else in about a week. I'll be doing, obviously I'll see you on Sunday for the Warhammer Sundays, as always, and don't forget to watch me, Ted and Chris on the E-Models channel on Monday for E-Models goodness. And then as soon as that U-boat's done, as I've said before, we'll be cracking on with the Master Grade Sazabi Verkar in the next few weeks, so stay tuned. But again, thank you to all of you who are my lovely, lovely subscribers, all 20,200 and something of you now. Thank you to all of you. I love you all very dearly. And here's to the next target, which is 100,000 subscribers, because I want my silver button. I need my shinies. I need my shinies. So again, well done, Phil. Send me your details. Congratulations. Thank you to everybody that took part. Take care of yourselves. Go make something awesome. Go be awesome. And until next time, adios. I'm doing the waving again. Oh, every time I do a non-camera piece, I still do the wave at the end. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Ooh. I need more coffee. I need more coffee.